What's the meaning of beneficence? Beneficence. Beneficence.
Beneficence. Beneficence. Beneficence is a term that describes the ethical principle of acting for the benefit of others. It is often used in the context of healthcare, or it refers to the obligation of healthcare providers to act in the best interests of their patients. This can involve providing treatments that promote health and well-being, preventing harm, and respecting patient autonomy. Beneficence is a key component of medical ethics and is guided by the principle of non-maleficence, which requires healthcare providers to avoid causing harm to their patients. Together, these principles help guide ethical decision-making in healthcare and ensure that patients receive the best possible care.